Welcome back everybody. Now at a glance you can see that there is a new comment has been added to one comment is there. So what I can do, I can go to the appearance area. I just clicked on that to the appearance link, and there, what is the appearance? Basically I just want to show you something about the appearance. In the appearance there is a list, the themes, the customize, the widgets, you can see that other things like the menu, header, background and editor. I'm just inside the themes area where you can just install the theme, add new theme. You can use any themes. These themes are by default installed on the WordPress. You can use any of the theme like the 2015, 2014, 2016 is a recently active theme. You can choose any of them. For example, you can choose that one. Just click on that theme, and now our 2015 default theme is clean, blog focused and designed for clarity, etc. If I just click there, now 2016 is a modernized take on an ever popular WordPress layout, etc. So let's just click on this theme, and now you have the option to live preview. You can delete that theme, exactly, it will be deleted. Then you have to install that back, or you can add them by uploading if this theme is in your system. I'll just guide you about them later on. Just click on the live preview. I just click that, and it's making a live preview for now of our project. Now you can see that this is not the theme which we are just using. If I just click on the WordPress for learning purpose, then it will send us to the main page. And now just look at this theme and go there and look at this theme. Exactly, this is totally changed. So now if you like this theme, then you can just click on save and activate the theme. You can change the theme again by clicking on change, or you can change a lot of features from there. Right now I'm just activating this new theme, then I'll just guide you about these things later on. So I just clicked there, and now the theme has been updated. This is the old theme. If I just refresh that page, then you will see the new theme on this page too. Yeah, it's refreshing now, it's updated. You can see the new theme now. Looking great or no? Exactly, it is looking great. Well, we have another theme there too. If I just go back to the admin panel and click on change, and what the theme do you want to apply? I just want to apply this theme. So let's just click on live preview, and it's they are giving me the preview of the 2014, and just wait for a single minute. Yeah, that one. So let's just click on the save and continue back, and I'm going there. Well, no need to go there. You can see that the theme has been updated, and this is the new theme. Actually, this one is the very old theme, by the way. This is the 2014 theme, but looking awesome and great. So what more I just need to do? I'm just going back to the WordPress the dashboard, and I'm just going back to the appearance, and in the appearance, if I just click on the theme, then I have the option to add new theme. So let's just click on the add new theme. I just clicked there, and then we have two options. When I just click on add new theme, I have two options. I can upload the theme. I can just get the theme which is automatically loading. These are the themes loading online through the WordPress. Okay, this is a WordPress library of theme, and the themes are coming online, and I can choose any theme and upload to my system. But if I have any theme in my local machine, then I just need to click on the upload theme. So which theme do you like? This theme, that theme, or whatever. For example, I'm just choosing this Sapper. Just click on this Sapper, and it's need to be installed. This theme has not been rated yet on etc. You can see that this theme is looking like that. The recent post, this is a way of this theme. This is not my posts, these are the posts which are already in this theme, and you can see the elements, the categories will look like that, the recent comments, the recent posts, and etc. I just don't like that theme, so I just closed that. And you can download the MetroPrice, you can download the WP4, and the coupon, the your logo, the corpus. I'm just clicking that one, the OK theme. Okay, I'm just downloading that theme because it's looking pretty awesome for me. By the way, this theme is so old. This theme is 2008 theme. No problem, let's just simply click on install, and it's about installing. And yeah, unpacking the theme, installing the theme, successfully installed the theme. Now but the theme has been installed but not set it on my system. It's still the previous one. So now I can make it activate, or I can see the live preview of that theme. I just clicked on live preview and they are showing me the preview for now. Yeah, this one is the new theme. Okay, did you like that or no? If you like that, then just simply click on the save and activate. And now this is the new theme. Interestingly, this theme has you can see that the page area, and for the other elements, did you remember what we have? The recent comments, the archives, the categories, the meta. There isn't anything, just the page, and the page was not there. So exactly, this is the interesting thing, that it has the page by default in the menu, but if I just click there, then I'll just see the search, the recent posts, recent comments, archives, categories, and meta. All these things are there, but interestingly, the pages too. So I think this theme is looking fine. I just want to show you that how we can install the theme, upload the theme throughout the intro. We'll learn some more things in the next class. Stay tuned and goodbye.